Insulate the slab perimeter to reduce heat loss and prevent frost heave using a clear slab edge insulation rule of thumb. A common practical thumb rule is to use rigid foam insulation rated at R-10 to R-20 for the slab edge and extend it from the top of the slab down to the footing or below the frost line when the site requires it. Measure the local frost depth from municipal or geotechnical guidance and plan the vertical insulation depth accordingly, and if the frost depth is unknown, assume a conservative greater depth and consult a soil report. Install continuous vertical insulation against the poured concrete before backfill and tape or seal all panel seams with compatible tape or spray foam to eliminate thermal bypass at joints and corners. For areas with shallow frost or on-grade heated slabs, consider a combination of horizontal insulation extending out from the slab top and a shallow vertical band to reduce thermal bridging while keeping costs down. Use extruded polystyrene for higher compressive strength around edges where foot traffic or construction loads occur, and use expanded polystyrene where compressive loads are light and cost is critical. Protect the exposed top edge with a protective cap or cant strip to avoid water infiltration and mechanical damage during construction and landscaping. 3 common mistakes are cutting the vertical insulation too short so it does not reach the footing, which allows cold to creep under the slab. Patch the gap with additional rigid foam or extending the board down in a trench and seal the joint with spray foam to restore continuity. Another frequent issue is leaving seams and panel joints unsealed, which creates convective paths and significantly lowers effective insulation performance. So always tape or spray the seams and use compatible sealants rated for below grade to maintain a continuous thermal barrier. The third is choosing foam without adequate compressive strength near concentrated loads or at the slab edge, which leads to crushing and loss of insulating value. So select extruded polystyrene where compressive strength is required and verify the manufacturer compressive rating for the expected loads. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical guidance about projects like slab edge insulation. We host a discussion community so homeowners and contractors can share experiences, ask questions, and find leads for work.